CBSE Mathematics Class 12th Miscellaneous Exercise on Chapter 13. Question number 6. Question number 6 states that in a hurdle race, a player has to cross 10 hurdles. The probability that he will clear each hurdle is 5 by 6. What is the probability that he will knock down fewer than 2 hurdles? अब देखिए हर्डल्स से मैंने दिखाया है, एक पिक्चर बनाया है. These are the hurdles. So 1, 2, 3 up to 10 hurdles are there. One player is there. So probability of clearing all the hurdles is 5 by 6. अब देखिए n is equal to 10. P, the player will knock down the hurdle. Q, that is 5 by 6, and P is equal to 1 minus 5 by 6. Means we have to find where he is knocked down by the hurdle. A hurdle को knock down या नहीं क्रॉस कर पाता है. So P, that is less than, X is less than 2. Means इसका मतलब क्या होगा? P X is equal to 0 plus P means probability X is equal to 1. So probability while X is equal to 0 plus probability X is equal to 1. क्योंकि X is less than 2. तो 0 और 1 हो गया. With formula we are going to use it. NCX P raised to power X and Q raised to power N minus X. देखिए यहाँ पर 10C0 और 1 by 6 raised to power 0, 5 by 6 raised to power 10 minus 0 plus 10C1, 1 by 6 raised to power 1, 5 by 6 raised to power 10 minus 1. Further solve किया, देखिए 10C0 that is 1, 1 by 6 raised to power 10 as it is. Here then this will be also 1 because power is 0 plus 10C1 means that it will be equal to 10, 1 by 6 raised to power 1, that is 1 by 6, 5 by 6 raised to power 9 as it is. So now you see here I have taken 5 by 6 common. So inside the bracket we are left with 5 by 6 plus 10 by 6. इसको सॉल्व किया फर्दर वी विल गेट 15 by 6 that will be 5 by 2 into 5 by 6 raised to power 9. अब देखिए इधर भी 5 है और इधर भी 5 है तो 5 raised to power 10 हो गया. यहाँ पर 6 है 2 into 6 raised to power 9 and this will be the required answer of question number 6. Now come to the question number 7 which state that a die is thrown again and again until 3 sixes are obtained. Find the probability of obtaining the third 6 in the 6th throw of the die. Question number 7 देखिए डाइस को थ्रो किया जा रहा है. थ्रोन अगेन एंड अगेन until 3 sixes are obtained. We have to find the probability of the third 6 in the 6th throw. तब चलिए हम let us suppose that in the first throw from first throw to 5th throw तक हमारे को 2 sixes obtained हो चुका मिल चुका है. मैंने पहले थ्रो से लेकर के 5वें थ्रो तक हमारे को कितने 6 मिले हैं? 2 6 मिल चुका है. नाउ इन द 6th थ्रो 1 6 is required, so I have just placed the 1 6. So 2 6 here obtained and 1 6 here. Total will be 3 sixes. So the probability that P is getting a 6 in the 6th throw. We have to find the probability of getting 6 in the 6th throw. Means probability P will be equal to 1 by 6 and Q will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 6. That will be equal to 5 by 6. So the required probability will be equal to probability of 2 6s come in the first 5 throw. अब फर्स्ट 5 थ्रो में हमारे को 2 6s मिल जाता है, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है. एंड मीन्स एंड का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई करना है. थर्ड 6 कम्स इन द 6th थ्रो, दैट इज its probability will be 1 by 6. Now 5C2, देखिए 5C2 into 1 by 6 raised to power 2 and 5 by 6 raised to power 5 minus 2 into 1 by 6. ये 1 by 6 1 by 6 यहाँ कर दिया. 5C2 that is 10. 1 by 6 raised to power 2 that is 1 by 36. 5 raised to power 3 that is 125. 6 raised to power 3 that is 216 and 1 by 6. After solving you will get 625 whole upon 23,328, and this will be the required answer of question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8 states that if a leap year is selected at random, what is the chance that it will contain 53 Tuesday? अब बोला है कि व्हाट विल बी द चांस टू कंटेन द 53 ट्यूसडे. अब पहले तो देखिए लीप ईयर में कितने वीक्स होते हैं टोटल, तो 52 वीक्स होते हैं और 2 रिमेनिंग. देख लीजिए यहाँ पर वर्कआउट कर दिया हूँ मैंने. 366 को 52 इंटू 7 प्लस 2 दैट विल बी 366. सो मैं 52 वीक्स एंड 2 रिमेनिंग डेज. हियर नाउ कम टू दिस प्लेस. रिमेनिंग 2 days एंड दीज आर एज फॉलोज. पहला ए पार्ट में दिया हूँ, मंडे ट्यूसडे हो सकता है, या ट्यूसडे वेंसडे हो सकता है, वेडनेसडे थर्सडे हो सकता है, थर्सडे फ्राइडे हो सकता है, फ्राइडे सैटरडे हो सकता है, सैटरडे संडे हो सकता है. देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 देयर आर 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 53 ट्यूसडे. अब देखिए ट्यूसडे कहाँ पर हो रहा, एक ए में आ रहा है और एक बी में आ रहा है. मंडे ट्यूसडे और ट्यूसडे वेंसडे. तो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल चांसेस दैट इज 2 इस पूरे में, और 7 है टोटल. तो 2 by 7 number of favorable chances upon total number of possible outcome. So total number of possible outcome is 7. और favorable chances है हमारा 2. So 2 by 7 will be the required probability of 53 Tuesday, and this will be the required answer of the question number 8. Now come to the question number 9. Question number 9 states that an experiment succeeds twice as often as it fails. Find the probability that in the next 6 trial there will be at least 4 success. अब देखिए यहाँ पर बोला है जो सक्सीड का नंबर है दैट इज ट्वाइस ऑफ द फेल्यूर चांसेस. नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल है 6. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस मीन्स एस will be equal to twice the probability of failure. So P will be equal to twice of Q. So P plus Q, as you know that so sum of the probability, total probability 1 होता है. So P plus Q is equal to 1. Now replace P by 2Q. P को हमने 2Q से replace कर दिया. So total number of Q is 3Q. 3Q is equal to 1. So therefore the Q will be equal to 1 by 3. Hence, P will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that will be equal to 2 by 3. At least 4 success means Px is greater than or equal to 4. अब देखिए therefore P x is greater than or equal to 4, that can be written like this: px is equal to 4 plus px is equal to 5 plus px is equal to 6. अब देखिए 5 से 4 भी हो सकता है, 5 भी हो सकता है और 6 सभी को हमने सम अप किया है. सो 6c4 into 2 by 3 raised to power 4, 1 by 3 raised to power 6 minus 4 plus 6c5, 2 raised to power 2 by 3 raised to power 5, 1 by 3 raised to power 6 minus 5 plus 6c6, that is 2 by 3 raised to power 6 and 1 by 3 raised to power 6 minus 6. इसको फर्दर सॉल्व किया, कम्बिनेशन पार्ट को हमने इस तरह से कर दिया. 6c4 will be equal to 15, 2 by 3 raised to power 4, 1 by 3 raised to power 2 plus 6c5 है, that is 6, 2 by 3 raised to power 5, 1 by 3 plus 1 into 2 by 3 raised to power 6 into 1. हमने क्या किया, 2 by 3 हर एक जगह से 2 by 3 raised to power 4 कॉमन ले लिए, यहाँ से भी, यहाँ से भी, यहाँ से भी. रिमेनिंग पार्ट को हमने ब्रैकेट में रख दिया. देखिए यहाँ पर आएगा हमारा 15 by 9 प्लस 6 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 प्लस 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. अब देखो इसको मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया. 3 2 जा 6 और 3 3 जा 9, 3 5 जा 15. इसको फर्दर 2 by 3 raised to power 4 inside the bracket 15 plus 12 plus 4 whole divided by 9. Now अब फर्दर इसको सॉल्व किया हमने. 31 by 9 इसको मिला टोटल 31 by 9 into 2 by 3 raised to power 4. So 2 raised to 3 raised to power 4 will be equal to 81. So 31 by 9 into 16 by 81 will be equal to, after multiplying the numerator part, you will get 496 divided by 729, and this will be the required answer. But in your textbook, this answer is given only 31 by 9 into 2 by 3 raised to power 4. Though both answers are correct. I have solved it further, but in the textbook, the answer is up to this place only. Now come to the question number 10. Question number 10 states that how many times must a man toss a fair coin so that the probability of having at least one head is more than 90%. अब देखिए यहाँ पर हमारे को नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल पूछ दिया है, that is question mark. Now P, that is getting a head in one coin, that is success. P जो success है, that is getting a head on in one coin. So the P will be equal to 1 by 2 and Q will be also equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Now Px is greater than or equal to 1 and it is greater than 90 by 100. That will be Px greater than or equal to 1, that is greater than 9 by 10. अब देखिए x is greater than or equal to 1, इसको हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. तो मैंने एरो मार्क किया है पेंसिल से, डॉटेड लाइन. तो जब कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म में लिखा तो 1 माइनस पी एक्स इज लेस देन, देखिए ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1 है, तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या कर दिया, x इज लेस देन 1. 1 माइनस पी एक्स इज लेस देन 1, लेस ग्रेटर देन 9 by 10. अब देखिए, अब यहाँ पर हमने इसको ऐसे सॉल्व किया. 1 माइनस लेस देन 1 है तो दैट विल बी x इज इक्वल टू 0, इज ग्रेटर देन 9 by 10. So this part can be solved like this: 1 minus nc0 p raised to power 0 q raised to power n minus 0 is greater than 9 by 10. Now 1 minus nc0, that is equal to 1, p raised to power 0, that is 1, q raised to power n, and that is greater than 9 by 10. 1 minus q raised to power n greater than 9 by 10. Further solve किया. In place of q I have written 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power n is greater than 9 by 10. अब हमने क्या किया, इस 1 को ट्रांसपोज कर दिया इधर और इसको सॉल्व किया. देखिए 9 by 10 minus 1. So minus 1 by minus in bracket 1 by 2 raised to power n greater than minus 1 by 10. Now multiplying minus 1 both sides we get, हमारे को क्या मिलेगा, 1 by 2 raised to power n less than 1 by 10. देखो sign of inequality will be changed. अब 1 by 2 raised to power n, let the power of n is, let n is equal to 3. n is equal to 3 क्या हो जाएगा, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is greater than 1 by 10. It's whereas it should be less than. So we can examine it that if n is equal to 4, 5, 6, if n is equal to 4, 5, 6, in that case this will fulfill the condition of inequality. So n is greater than or equal to 4 will be the required answer. That's all.